Hi, I'm Mike Rosen, and I'm excited to tell you about an upcoming two-day seminar on understanding enterprise architecture that I'll be teaching. Multiple forces have combined to create a renewed emphasis in enterprise architecture. First, organizations are more dependent on technology, which continues to expand in importance and complexity. This is compounded by the drive for digital transformation and the need for improved, consistent customer experience and operational efficiency. Finally, the recent experience with COVID-19 has shown that organizations with a good architectural foundation were much more successful at making the tough decisions and quick changes to business and operating models that the pandemic demanded. But while organizations now understand that they need architecture, most don't understand what it actually is, know what it looks like, know how to create the right architecture for their organization, and most importantly, know how to use it to deliver value and influence decisions. One reason for the confusion is that architecture covers a wide range of topics, including the traditional domains of business, information, application, and technology, new domains of performance, services, security, and integration, architectural disciplines and practices such as frameworks, methods, BizOps, and tools, artifacts and deliverables such as standards, reference architectures, roadmaps, and models, and organizational structure, architecture programs, teams, governance. This seminar answers these questions and introduces a set of skills and techniques for delivering architecture value. We start with an overview of architecture, the motivations, and the value proposition. Then we explore the question, what is architecture, to get a general understanding of the underlying principles. Next, we go through an extensive example of an enterprise architecture, illustrating the requirements, scopes, concerns, and artifacts from the business, information, application, and technology domains, as well as governance, portfolio management, repositories, and the architecture program itself. With a good understanding of what architecture looks like, we cover some of the important architecture skills, principles, and thinking, and an overview of the major frameworks. However, this is not a course on frameworks. Instead, it focuses on an overall understanding of the breadth and depth of enterprise architecture and the underlying skills and principles that you need to be an architect or manage an architecture program. Participants in the seminar will learn why your organization needs architecture, the architecture value proposition, an overview of the principles, practices, and structure of enterprise architecture, the concepts, models, and vocabularies of different architectural roles and domains, issues and techniques of business, information, application, and technology architecture, new architectural domains of security, performance, service, and integration, architecture principles and skills that can immediately be applied to your current role, and how to organize architecture programs to deliver value. The seminar is a combination of lecture, discussion, and group exercises that will leave you with a good overview, new insight, and some techniques that you can apply as soon as you get back to the office. I hope to see you there.